Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lava. If you're new to the channel, my name is HIGHBALL and I post videos on cocktail recipes and alcohol content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do easy aperitif cocktails that you can do before you have your meal, an appetizer before you have a meal. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Campari blossom. It's very easy. You just need two ingredients, a Campari and orange juice. So take your highball glass or any other glass that you have at home, fill it with ice. This is one of the most loved cocktails that everybody loves. It's so simple, so easy. 1 part of Campari and 3 parts of your orange juice. So let's take 60 ml of your Campari. There you go. And just top it up with your orange juice. It's as simple as that. I have a freshly squeezed orange juice here. There you go. And to complete your drink, garnish it with the orange slice or orange peel, whichever one is easy for you. So I think I'll go with the orange peel. There you go. And last but not least, don't forget your straw. Cheers guys. There's a Campari orange, Campari blossom, or whichever one you like to call it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Drop me a comment below, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.